These Greek lemon potatoes are golden outside and tender inside, packed with fresh lemon, garlic and herbs. This easy oven roasted lemon potatoes recipe is a perfect side dish for chicken, beef, lamb or fish, and it's made with simple pantry. Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. In this video episode I'll show you how to make very easy and absolutely delicious Greek lemon potatoes. So stay tuned and make sure to watch the video to the end. As always, enjoy it! For my Greek lemon potatoes, I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes, but you can definitely substitute it for the Idaho potatoes. Get 6 Yukon Gold potatoes and cut them into the wedges, just like that. Place them into the bowl with cold water, so they don't change color. Whether you're looking for Greek lemon potatoes, roasted potatoes with lemon, or an easy weeknight side dish, this recipe delivers big flavor with minimum effort. These lemon potatoes are inspired by traditional Greek lemon potatoes called patatas lemonades, a classic dish served alongside roasted meats in tavernas across Greece. After all potatoes are sliced, get 2 lemons, slice them in half and juice it. You will need approximately 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Did you know that potatoes didn't reach Greece until early 1800s and were first introduced by Leonidas Kapodistrias, Greece's first governor, and today they are most beloved Mediterranean side dish, especially when roasted with lemon, garlic, olive oil and herbs. Take a large baking dish and transfer the potatoes in. Lemon has been used in the Mediterranean cuisine for over 2000 years as a natural flavor enhancer. Acid from lemon juice helps to break down starches, making the potatoes crispier when roasted. Pour 2 cups of hot chicken stock, 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice, drizzle it with 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, squeeze about 6 garlic cloves. I'm using garlic press, but if you want to, you can definitely just chop it. Add 1 tablespoon of dry oregano. Season it with salt and freshly ground white pepper and mix it. Traditional Greek lemon potatoes are often roasted with the stock, not just oil, for extra depth of flavor. The secret lies in the balance of acidic lemon juice, rich olive oil, and slow oven roasting, which creates the golden crust while keeping the inside tender and fluffy. Everything looks good. We're gonna put it in the preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 20 minutes, and then I will show you my secret step how to make it crispy. After 20 minutes, we'll remove the potatoes from the oven. I'm gonna mix it and put it back in the preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for additional 30 minutes. And let me tell you something, the aroma is outstanding. That roasted garlic, oregano, it's just beautiful. Return the potatoes back into the oven for 30 minutes. "30 minutes passed. Carefully mix it with a spatula. Get a sheet pan and transfer the potatoes in. Make sure to collect all the good stuff from the baking dish and spread the potatoes evenly on a sheet pan. Lemon potatoes may look simple, but their story is surprisingly rich. Potatoes arrived in Greece in the early 19th century, and at first, locals were skeptical. Legend says the government guarded potato shipments so people would steal them, sparking curiosity and popularity. Today, potatoes are a cornerstone of Greek home cooking. And here is my little trick. What I like to do is to get a large sheet pan, transfer the potatoes in, lay them down like little soldiers, and return it back in the preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 30 minutes. This way, the potatoes will get more cooked inside and the top is going to be slightly crispy. Just take a look how beautiful it comes out. The final 30 minutes passed, and just take a look at these beautiful lemon potatoes. Transfer them into the plate. Decorate it with some fresh thyme. And add couple lemon wedges. Lemon once was considered as a luxury fruit and a symbol of hospitality in the Mediterranean culture. And why would you love this recipe? It has a crispy edges and soft center, bold lemon garlic flavor, easy oven method, and of course, perfect for meal prep or family dinners. And enjoy these delicious Greek lemon potatoes. The moment that you were waiting for. Taste test. If you like the potatoes and lemon together, this is the recipe for you. Super easy, creamy inside, crispy outside, with a little kick of zing. Let's dig in. Super good. It's like a mashed potato with a little lemon flavor to it. This side dish of lemon potatoes is outstanding for spatchcock chicken, grilled chicken, steak, or even branzini. Make sure to make it.